So now the another secondary cell is nickel cadmium storage cell. It's again similar to that. But if we talk about its long life, so it has more long life as compared to the lead storage, but it is somehow very expensive, and it can also be recharged in the same way. So what do we have here? Anode is cadmium plates, cathode is metal grade, that is the nickel grade with nickel oxide, and electrolyte is the KOH. So at anode what we get to see, there is an oxidation that this cadmium actually lose 2 electrons and it combines with the OH ions of the solution, giving rise to cadmium oxide, water and 2 electrons. So that means oxidation has taken place. Then at cathode we have nickel oxide, it combines with these H2 and 2 electrons, giving rise to nickel hydroxide and again the 2 OH negative. So these the compounds which are actually formed this and this, it remains sticking, or you can say it sticks actually to the electrodes. That it was there that PbSO4 was forming the coating. So here it is forming a coating on anode and it is going to form a coating on the cathode. So that means as long as you can say the reaction continue, it keeps on working. But when the electrolyte get exhaust and there is a coating there, so that means the reaction actually stops. So that is the time when we have to supply it with external energy. That means you have to recharge it so that these reactions just get reversed and the cell keeps on working. And if we look for the overall reaction, it is cadmium plus NiO2 plus H2O forming cadmium oxide, nickel hydroxide and water, and this is the spontaneous one. But when we are recharging, it again breaks up into this thing, forming anode, forming cathode, and we have the electrolytes also, right. So this is what, because we have the aqueous electrolyte, so this H2O comes from there. So this is actually a lead cadmium storage cell, and it can also provide the constant voltage, and moreover we can actually recharge it. So what you have to do is you have to concentrate the reactions, because what is an anode, what is forming a cathode, and what kind of reactions do you get to see plays an important role. And as far as these cells are concerned, the lead storage cell is very important, and moreover the dry cell is most important, right. So you need to concentrate on these cells. So we will look for the another cell now, that is the fuel cell.